My dear friends, today in the Gospel of St. Mark, we see Jesus telling the disciples, "Come away by yourself to a desolate place and rest a while." Jesus felt that the disciples are worn out, maybe busy or stressed out. That's why he says, "Come away to a desolate place and rest a while." My dear children, today if we see the life of our parents, especially if we just see the life of our parents, we see how busy they are. Maybe we find today both the parents, our mommy, our dad, also our mom, working. And when they come home, they are so tired. And Jesus tells us today to find a time for Him. Meaning, find a time for Him as a family to be by yourself. Not to engage in the worldly activities, but more so spiritual activities. My dear friends, my dear children, in the summer vacations, did we ever have time to go for a retreat as a family together, where we could ask the Lord or rejuvenate ourselves, or ask the Lord to bless our families, where we could see within ourselves, especially in our family life, what was lacking in us or where we falter. So make it a point to take little time off from your maybe studies or from your work and be by yourself as a family. And you see, God will surely bless such families who really take time off, who keep aside some time for the Lord.